Welcome back, my dear student. So now it's time for us to go ahead and show some information about the order that was made, all right? But before we do that, let's go ahead and create like a type of security for our admin. We don't want anybody coming here, right? So the great thing about it is that the way we built this is that everything works with the index.php. So all we got to do is put a little piece of code in index, and then we can secure our whole site, all right? So what we could do here is, well, before we do that, let's go to login.php in the front end, and we can see that we have a function to log in the user. So let's go ahead and go to functions and find that function by doing a quick search like I did right here. Usually it's Command F or Control F in the editor, and you can do a search. All right, so what we need to do is set a session here. So when the user is able to log in, right here, before we set this session here, we could set another one. And we could say session, and we could say, you know what, make a username right there. And then we assign this to what? The username variable that we got there. There we go. All right. Perfect. So we can come back to index, and we can do a little piece of code here, and we can say if is set, if it's not set, session, what is it, username, then redirect back to where? To the home page. Let's go back a little bit and go to public. All right, I think this would take us back. All right. All right, so let's try this. Make sure you save it. Remember, I'm always saving. Control S or Command S. Enter. All right, this is not. Let's make sure that we saved everything. Oh, forgot the exclamation right here. Enter. There we go, and it redirects us back. And we click admin, it would not allow us to log in. So what we need to do is log in, of course, and we have this message here because it's setting that it has a session here. All right, it's displaying the session username, and we should actually use something else. All right, because we have that username somewhere. You see that right here? So we don't have to actually set anything here for now. All right, let's just not set anything here for now. All right, then later on we'll figure it out, but right now, enter. All right, then we're gonna say something like Rico, that's my password, that my username, and enter. There we go, and now we get redirected back to admin. All right, of course we need a way we got to fix these links. We need a way to log out also. So why don't we just do that right now? And this is going to be pretty quick, all right? I promise. So we need to log out, and we could have the logout available anywhere here in the admin somewhere. So let's have a logout page inside index logout.php. Actually, we can have that logout in the front end if we wanted to, but whatever, let's have it close to index. All right, and then here we're not gonna have anything. All right, we're just gonna have some PHP, and we're gonna use destroy session destroy, and then we'll redirect back, and we'll use the header, and we're not including config here, so we need to use the original redirection function. So we'll redirect back to, we are in logout. We need to go back to public, I guess. All right. Beautiful. That's all we need for here. I'm thinking what else? Header. Actually, hold on. Location. There we go. Now it should do the trick. Even though I like my redirection header. Location. There we go. So now what we need is a link. Let's go to templates, back. Let's go to top nav. And here on top nav, we have a logout here. So what we need is to go to logout. Or we can send that as a parameter if we wanted to. Logout.php. Let's see if that works. Logout. There we go. Now we click admin. We are able to log in. It didn't actually destroy the session. Actually, probably destroy session destroy. Let's go back to logout. First, we have to start a session to destroy it, right? Start a session. And that's something that we get a lot of newbies out there, right? Session destroy, start. That's why it's not destroying it. Sorry about that, guys. All right. So let's go to admin. Let's go here and log out. Now we got to try to go to admin and we can't because the session was destroyed. Let's log in again. Boom. All right. So that was easy, right? All right. So that's what that page would do. Now, something that I saw here. We need to fix these links here real quick. All right, you see that? And dashboard. And we need to fix this password thing. We need to our password to be hidden there. So let's go and first let's go to the login. And then here where it says password type, just put password. All right, and that should hide that. Now they're gonna be dots. Perfect. And then we'll fix the link real quick in the index. Admin content actually. Let me see. No, not admin content. Site nav. So the dashboard is going to be the admin. So that's going to be the admin. And there is another. Let's go to top nav. This is going to be index.php also. All right, so let's check it out. Admin. Beautiful. All right, so we're getting somewhere. Now here we could actually put our username in here. We could do that. All right, and it says logout, and we have the username right here. So I leave that as a task to you. You already have the username in the session. Display it right here, and that's it. And that's it. We're done with this lecture, and we'll continue on the next one. All right. Perfect. Thank you, and I see you in the next one.